Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Work of the Saints. What is the name of the lesson? Work of the Saints. Saints are people who are believed to be holy. A live person cannot be called a saint. One of the qualities of the saints is that they always speak the truth and follow God's ways. The tradition of sons or saints that began in Maharashtra were Sant Narhari, Sant Muktabai, Sant Garoba, Sant Janabai, Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram, Samarth Ramdas. These all are the Sant. They have taught the people various virtues. They have spread a various message like kindness. One should be kind to all. Non-violence. Non-violence means we should not harm others. Equality. Everybody should be treated equally, whether they are rich or poor, men or women. They have to serve them equally. Service. One has to service in front of God. Sacrifice. Brotherhood. This all sentiment that was created by the sons in the minds of the people. Now, Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince of Gujarat. He became an ascetic and he came over to Maharashtra. He moved all over the Maharashtra and he has taught. He preached equality. Equality means he said we should not believe in any discrimination based on a gender or caste. Means all the caste of like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all are same. And gender means men and women, both are same. They have to be treated equally. He established Maha-Anubhav sect, a group. He has established a group of this in which all the things are there. Maha-Anubhav sect. He also wrote a book. The book name was Leela Charitra. In that book, memorable incident of his life has been put in this book. Book is called as Leela Charitra. Our next is Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in the village Narasi. He composed numerous songs in the praise of God and he used to perform the kirtans mostly on the religious themes. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and he taught the people to have a deep devotion to God. What did he has taught? He has taught that one should protect their religion. Later on, Sant Namdev, he travelled all over India spreading the message of humanity. He even travelled to Punjab. There also he has spread the message of equality. And even today some of his verses, some of his songs are included in the holy book of Sikhs. That is Guru Granth Sahib. Like we all Hindus, our holy book is Bhagavad Gita. For Muslims, we are having Quran. For Christians, we are having Bible. Same way, Sikh people also have a holy book. That is Guru Granth Sahib. In that book, his verses, his songs were there. Now, third Sant we are going to learn about is Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Jnaneshwar family belonged to Apegaon. Sant Jnaneshwar had two brothers and one sister. Brother's name was Nivruttinath and Sopandev, and sister's name was Mukta Bai. At that time, it happened his father he took sannyas and he retired from worldly life. And as a sannyasi, he left home. But later on, after obeying his guru, his father came back and he started living with his wife. There, their four children were born. Afterwards, what happened? This all narrow minded, the leaders, they said, if once a man is sannyasi, how could they have the children? How could his father have a children? So people persecuted these children and banished. They have sent away them from the community that no, you can't stay here because you have come from the sannyasi family. But afterwards, he forgot all his sorrow and started his work. Everywhere, the poor and the backward people at that time, they were troubled in the name of the religion. Sant Jnaneshwar went among the people and he taught them to have faith in God. We should give equal treatment to all. Help those in trouble, those who are in trouble. We should help them and allay their misery. We should take away, we should help them. In those days, all the religious books were written in Sanskrit, but Sant Jnaneshwar, he wrote one book. The book name was Jnaneshwari, and he wrote that book in Marathi. He thus opened wide for his people the doors of knowledge, where he preached the ideal of brotherhood among all men. And at an early age at Alandi near Pune, Sant Jnaneshwar took Samadhi. Even today also, on the 11th day of Ashad and Kartik, lakh of people, they go to Alandi with the devotion. So today we have learnt on three saints, Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar.